chained, forgotten, and left to suffer. For 12 years, he never knew freedom. Chained, forgotten, and left to suffer. Until one day, someone finally saw him. And in that moment, he looked at her like he was asking for help.
Let him go! He deserves us better! Let him down.
She refused to walk away. She fought for his freedom. For the first time, he felt what freedom was. With love, he became a new dog. Because one act of kindness can change everything.